Today, if you say, I have a gut feeling about such and such, you're not speaking metaphorically at all. You're speaking literally. Your gut makes the same chemicals that your brain makes when you have emotions or thought. In fact, I would say you can trust your gut feelings a little more because your gut cells haven't yet learned how to doubt their own thinking. Today, we know that 80% of our heart cells, for example, are what some cardiologists or cardiac physiologists call neurocardiocytes. They're like brain cells, neurons, and they're cardiocytes, they pump blood, but they make the molecules of emotion. Now, I'll cut this story very short because it's a 35-year-old story in development, but your mind is not in your brain, okay? It's everywhere. It's in all the cells of your body, and all the cells of your body are relating to all the cells in two ways. One is local communication through energy and information, local communication. So when I communicate with you on your cell phone, for example, that's a local communication. Or I call you on the phone or through the internet, that's local. It involves energy and information. And there's another kind of communication that occurs, it's called non-local, which I spoke about a little bit earlier, which is almost instantaneous. It's not communication, but it's correlation. Every cell correlates with every other cell instantly. Your body has 100 trillion cells, which is more than all the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Every cell is doing 100,000 activities per second, and every cell tracks and synchronizes with every other cell instantly without sending messages, no signals, okay? It's what is called non-local correlation, and this is a new field. It's called quantum biology, that biological organisms don't function linearly, they function in an integrated manner. My body is an integrated whole. My brain is an integrated whole, and it's participating with what we call the environment, which is a terrible word. It's the biosphere of which we are an activity. You know, we use these words, body, environment, and we think that's different, but it's actually one system. Okay, it's an integrated system. Those trees are your lungs. The earth is recycling as your body. The rivers and waters are recycling as your circulation. This air is your breath. So why do we call the environment? We have a personal body, we have an extended body, and they're both equally ours because you can't live with one or the other. Okay, they're equally crucial to our sense of I exist. So everything functions as an integrated system, and this integration is felt to be non-local. There's physics to explain this. Okay, but this is how you can explain certain things which were unexplainable before. How does the human body, for example, do so many things simultaneously? It can think thoughts, play a piano, kill germs, remove toxins, make a baby all at the same time. And at the same time, your biological rhythms are the symphony of the whole universe. So that's non-local. How does a single cell become the 100 trillion cells only in 50 replications? Only 50 replications to make a whole body. Now, if I had videos, I was telling Satish, we make films on this, and it's very impressive to see what's really happening and the sense of wonder that's evoked when you see what's happening in your body. Okay, so that's non-local correlation. These are the two kinds of things. And the whole thing is being orchestrated through the flow of energy and information, but also non-locally. Beyond the non-locally means outside of space-time.